Hi, my name is Megan, and my intention for this video is to create a brief yoga practice that is accessible to everybody. So no matter what age you are or how much experience you have with yoga, this video is for you. We're going to begin practicing in a chair. I want you to think about sitting on the chair as a prop, as opposed to sitting in the chair. So instead of letting your body kind of take the shape of the chair that you're sitting with, really bring conscious effort to sit up nice and straight on your chair. So you'll feel that the hips are in the middle of the chair. You're going to scoot forward enough so that you're not relying on the back of the chair to support your back body, but you're just using the base of the chair to support your hips. Then you're going to bring your legs hip-width distance apart. So what this will look like in your body is a straight line from the center of your thighs to your knees. And then from there, draw a straight line from your knees down to your ankles. Feel that the ankles are stacked right below the knees. And with your hands on the legs, you'll sit up nice and tall and slide your elbows back until the elbows come right below the shoulders. Just imagine here that there were some little weights hanging off of the elbows, and that would help to draw your shoulders down away from your ears. Now locating the feeling of your spine from your tailbone all the way up through the back of the neck. Bring awareness to your spine as tall, strong, and straight. Sitting up nice and tall here, final adjustment is to bring your chin parallel to the ground. So you're not looking down, you're not looking up, you're looking right in front of you, and the chin is parallel to the floor. Here's where we'll begin in this strong position. To start out, press your feet down into the ground. You can lift the tippy toes off the ground. Press the ball mounds of the feet and the heels down. You'll feel the arches of the feet lift and the legs become really strong. If you're really pressing down through the feet, you should feel a nice strength in the legs. You can keep that feeling of strength in the legs, but lower the toes down. Keep that feeling of strength in the legs as you lift the heart space up, sitting up even a little taller. Good, so from here, we're just going to take some simple movements to warm up through the shoulders. You're going to inhale and raise the shoulders all the way up towards your ears, and then take a long, smooth exhale out through the mouth, dropping the shoulders away. Good, we're going to do that 2 more times. As you inhale, lift your shoulders up towards the ears, squeeze and hold your breath in. Imagine the feeling of squeezing out a sponge in your shoulders. And then release the shoulders down just as you would release a squeezed sponge that would expand and soften. You're going to inhale, lift the shoulders up towards the ears like wringing out a sponge, squeezing any tension out there, and then exhale and release your shoulders, drop away from your ears, feeling the shoulders soften and expand back to their natural shape. Good, so from here, you're going to keep the shoulders down and away from the ears. We're going to interlace your hands and let the thumbs stay out of this shape. Thumbs are pointing down. And you're going to place this shape at the back of your head. So the thumb should be able to reach to the top of your neck. And again, it's important here that you feel the chin parallel to the ground, because if the chin is too far up, you will feel that there's kind of a bend in the back of the neck. So keep the chin parallel to the ground. With the thumbs at the top of the neck, you're going to massage the top of your neck. Massage that sweet spot where the skull meets the spine. Should feel really nice to just take a deep breath while you move the thumbs to massage the top of the neck here. Take 1 more deep breath, completely emptying the lungs on an exhale with a full sigh. And then breathing in deeply through the nose, expanding the belly, the ribs, and the chest. And exhale here. Leaving the hands where they are. As you inhale, you're going to lift the face up towards the ceiling. Draw a line with the nose up. Open the heart space up towards the ceiling and bring the elbows wider apart. As you exhale, you're going to round your back. Bring your chin towards your chest and bring the elbows together. Completely finish your exhale. And then as you inhale, open back up. Lift the face back up to the ceiling. Lift the heart space up. Open the elbows wide. Breathe in. And as you exhale, round your back. Bring your elbows together and your chin to your chest. Do this 2 more times. Inhale and fill up, float up, expand, a big stretch. And as you exhale, round, release, bring the elbows together, chin to chest. 1 more round here, following your breath. Come back up through center and unbind the arms and let the arms float back to your lap. Elbows below the shoulders, sitting up nice and tall. And you're going to lift your hands out in front of you and then bring the arms wide apart. Big inhale, stretching the arms far apart. And then as you exhale, you're going to cross one arm on top of the other and reach for opposite shoulders. So you might be, reaching to opposite elbows if that's as far as you can reach here. You might actually be reaching to opposite shoulder blades. Find what feels good to you. Inhale to sit up nice and straight here, and exhale to relax. You're going to inhale over to the left, feeling a stretch, and as you exhale, come back to center. Do that to the other side. Inhale over to the right, and exhale back to center. Do that 1 more time. Inhale to the left. Nice stretch here. Exhale, center. Over to the right. Breathing in as you expand, and exhale, center. Inhale, open the arms wide. And exhale, cross the arms. The other one is coming on top this time. And reaching, finding the right position for you here. Inhale to sit up nice and tall. Exhale to relax. You're going to go to the right first. Inhale, lean to the right. And exhale, center. Inhale, lean to the left. And exhale, center. Follow this 1 more time on each side with your breath. Inhale to that side body stretch. And exhale to find center. Don't rush through center here. Finally, inhale and open the arms again. And return the hands back down to center. Okay, so we're going to bring the palms together to heart center. The elbows are wide apart. Feel an expansion, a spaciousness in the chest and in the shoulder blades. You're going to walk the feet together, toe heel the feet together, bring the inner thighs together, squeeze your legs together, press your palms together, feel everything pull up through center. You'll sit a little taller here. Inhale for length in your spine, and as you exhale, relax and begin to twist towards the left. Go as far as feels good to you here. Be gentle. Again, inhale for length. As you exhale, take your right hand, place your right hand on the outside of your left thigh. Your left hand can stay here, or if you would like to go a little deeper in your stretch, you can bring your left hand to the chair behind you, maybe placing it on the seat of the chair behind your back. We'll all take a big inhale and grow taller, lifting straight up, and exhale, twist, like wringing out a rag. You'll wring out the spine. Take 1 more big breath here, and then slowly unwind back through center, resting the hands. Inhale, hands to heart center, squeeze the inner thighs together, press the palms together, lift everything up through center, and as you exhale, relax as you begin to twist to the right. Place the left hand on the outside of the right leg. Inhale to sit tall, and exhale to twist towards the right. You can leave your right hand here, or you can place your right hand on the chair behind you, on the chair seat behind your back. See what feels good to you. You inhale and sit up tall, and exhale, twist towards the right. Take one more deep breath here. Inhale for length, and exhale to twist. Slowly unwind back through center as you're finished there. Once more, bring the hands to heart center. Squeeze the legs together, sit up nice and tall. And exhale, the arms are going to come down to the legs. Walk the feet a little bit wider apart. Back to hip width distance. Good, so from hip width distance here, hands on the knees, you're going to inhale, slide the elbows straight back, reach your heart forward, and exhale, bring your hands to your knees, round your back, stretch out the back of your heart, chin to chest. Just one more round of this movement. Slide your hands towards your hips as you reach your heart forward and look up. And as you exhale, slide your hands to your knees, round your back. And inhale, sit up nice and tall. And as you exhale, turn your fingers in, your elbows out, begin to lean forward, folding forward. You can rock a little bit left and right. Nod the chin forward, relax the back of the neck. You might like to slide your hands down to your feet. Feel a nice stretch in the back here. Remember to relax the back of your neck, let your head hang forward. You can shake the head out, yes and no. Just really feel that the neck is releasing and the head is hanging forward. Take one more deep breath here. And inhale to rise. Slowly roll all the way up, really nice and slow. Coming all the way back to your seat. Sitting up nice and tall. And at this time, you're going to scoot back in your chair all the way back to let the back of your body rest on the back of your chair. If there's a wall behind you, you might slide your chair all the way against the wall and let your head rest on the wall behind you, and that can feel really nice. We're going to lift the feet off the floor, point and flex the feet, rotate the ankles. You can also rotate the wrist here. Good. Lifting the feet, lifting the arms. Take a big stretch, stretch your whole body. Lift the corners of the mouth, create a big smile, a big inhale. And exhale, soften all the way down. Relax in the chair. Do that stretch one more time. Inhale, lift and stretch. And exhale, soften. Softening into the chair. Kicking out the legs and letting the feet land out in a comfortable spot. The feet are a little wider apart. The arms are resting in the lap. You might want the arms to dangle down by the sides. If that feels good, let yourself do that. Feel the support behind the back of the shoulders, allowing your back and your shoulders to really relax into the support of the chair at this time. Allow your eyes to close. This would be our final moment in today's yoga practice. And this final moment of your practice is dedicated to your relaxation. For you to settle in to this feeling of simply being here. Letting go of any doing. And if you have a to-do list in mind, know that you can set that aside for now, and that it will still be there when you're finished with this moment of relaxation. Allowing yourself to fully arrive in this moment of rest, relaxation, feeling the support of the chair beneath you, feeling the support of the feet on the ground, the support of the hips in the chair, knowing that you can completely relax the hips, the legs, and the feet. Feeling the support of the back of the chair against the back of your heart, allowing the shoulders to drop out of the space of the ears. Know that you can completely relax your shoulders, arms, and hands. And bring attention to the muscles in the face, relaxing the jaw and cheeks, relaxing the muscles of the tongue and lips, letting the mouth be quiet, relaxing the muscles of the eyeballs and eyelids, resting the physical eyes for just a moment. Relax the eyebrows and the forehead. Relax the space just behind the forehead. Just behind the forehead, the space of mind also softens and relaxes. Just be here. Notice the current rhythm of your breath. Go ahead and shift the position of your hands, placing your palms over the space of your heart. Breathing in and out of the space below the hands. Feeling as though the breath is coming in and out of your heart. Feeling grateful for each breath. Allow the feeling of gratitude to expand naturally. You can remind yourself of anything else you feel grateful for in this moment. Follow your breath in and out of the space of your heart. Stay here with this moment of gratitude as long as it feels good to you. Thank you for tuning into this video and practicing some yoga with me today.